G'day, I'm Ray. Welcome to another no-nonsense, hopefully beneficial, straight-talking video about stuff that already affects, may affect, or will affect your life in Thailand, along with other lesser-known facts about Thailand. I have often been asked about the level of medical care in Thailand. From my experience of cataract surgery and a nasty fall along with periodic issues, I can only say the care I received was excellent. I don't know exactly how to address this question, so I'll paint a broad picture as I see it by comparing hospital care in the USA and Thailand. Hospital care in the USA and Thailand for expats can be compared in terms of costs, quality of care, and access to care. In this video, I'll provide a comparison of the two countries' healthcare systems, focusing on their strengths and weaknesses. Let's start with the cost of hospital care. For citizens, the cost of hospital care in the USA is significantly higher than in Thailand. The average cost of medical procedures, insurance premiums, and out-of-pocket expenses is much higher in the USA, making healthcare access more challenging for those in need. In contrast, healthcare in Thailand is more affordable, with lower medical procedure costs and insurance premiums, making it an attractive destination for medical tourism. The quality of care in the USA is highly advanced with well-trained healthcare professionals, state-of-the-art medical technology, and renowned research facilities. However, these resources are not equally distributed across the country, and access to care can be limited for people without insurance. In Thailand, the quality of care is also high, with modern medical facilities, well-trained doctors, and a growing medical tourism industry. The country's universal healthcare system has contributed to rising life expectancy, decreased mortality among infants and children, and a leveling of historical health disparities between rich and poor regions. For expats, private hospitals in Thailand offer high-quality care at a fraction of the cost of private hospitals in the USA. Access to care in the USA can be a significant challenge for expats, particularly for those without insurance. Rural Thai areas may also lack sufficient healthcare facilities, making access to healthcare difficult for expats residing in those areas. In Thailand, the universal healthcare system provides coverage to approximately 98% of the population, including expats with work permits or long-term visas. Hey folks, if my content is of value, a subscribe and a like would be much appreciated. That will help me to keep more people informed, and to be sure you miss nothing, click on the notification bell. Private hospitals in Thailand also offer high-quality care to expats at a lower cost than private hospitals in the USA. However, language barriers may pose challenges for expats seeking healthcare services in Thailand. In general, the doctors speak good English, but the nursing staff, not so much. One major difference in Thai hospitals, especially the public hospitals, is that they want someone to stay with the patient 24/7 to help with their personal needs. In summary, while the USA has a more advanced and specialized healthcare system, the cost of care is significantly higher and the access to care is limited for certain populations, including people without insurance. In contrast, Thailand's universal healthcare system provides comprehensive coverage and equal access to care for its citizens and some expats, resulting in better healthcare outcomes and a more equitable distribution of healthcare resources. For expats, Thailand offers high-quality healthcare services at a lower cost than the USA, making it an attractive destination for medical tourism. However, language barriers and cultural differences may pose challenges for expats seeking healthcare services in Thailand. As healthcare systems continue to evolve, both countries can learn from each other's strengths and weaknesses to create more accessible, affordable, and high-quality healthcare systems for their citizens and expats. Okay, folks, that's it from me for this time. As usual, I'm interested in any experiences or related experiences you may have had and your opinion. But just as important, if there's anything in particular you'd like to know more about in Thailand, pop it in the comments.